Lods, and we are back again with another video na naman kung saan tayo maglalaro ng isang game na pinamagatang Nun Massacre. Ito, isa to sa nightmare ko talaga na horror game at noon pa man, 2022 pa lang, sinubukan ko na itong laruin. Okay? 2022 pa lang. At wala pa tong YouTube channel ko ngayon. Alam nyo ba na itong horror game na to ang pinakatumakot sa akin? Like, literally na tinakot ako. Kung hindi, manood kayo at kakalabanin ko ulit ang takot ko. Ipapakita ko sa inyo na kaya ko pa, hindi pa ako laos, okay? So simulan natin itong video na to. Let's go na. Okay, so where are we? I don't know. Wait lang. We are in a bathtub. Anong gagawin ko dito? Ha? Bathtub, inventory. Wala pa inventory, wala pang crouch, wala pang stun. Okay, sure. Sige. Desisyon kayo eh. Okay, we're just relax. Nagti 360 yung ulo, men. Okay, sure. Sige. Hello? Get out. Yes, I'm gonna get out. Okay? Bilis. Oh, yan. Dito ba? Yo. I don't to go in there. Sure thing. Ayaw mo eh. Di wag. Dear Miss McDonnell, I hope this letter finds you well. Your child is sick and needs your immediate attention. Nagbabasa pa ako eh. Okay. Nandito na tayo. Okay, you were here. Di, sige. Nandito na tayo eh. Ano pa, bala ka na mamatras pa ako, di ba? Wala nang ganun. Wala. Asus. Atras, sus. Walang ganun. Hindi. Okay, buksan mo yan. There you go. Okay, what is this, Shems, ha? Dear Diary, Mommy drop me off at my new school. I'm going to miss my old friends. I brought Bongo with me, though. We have a teacher called Sister Euphemys. She has an assistant named Sister Odell. They're teaching us all about the saints and what wonderful lives they live. Lives they live pala, sorry. Today we'll learn Pasensya na ha. Today we learned about Saint Lucy. Her eyes were put on a plate and she became a martyr. Okay, never mind. Ayoko na. Sige na, ayoko na magbasa. What do we got in here? What is bandages? Might be needed. Sige, sure. Yeah. Ay, baka kailanganin din natin. Sige. Tol, wala pa. What is this? Wait lang. There's something in here. Ano to? Hey, got a lighter. Very nice. What am I supposed to do right now then? Hindi ko alam. Pero sige. Open that sheets. Open that. There you go. Okay. Feels like wala naman yata. Sure thing. Okay, so ano meron dito? Wait lang. Medyo kinakabahan ako. Pasensya na kayo ha. Pasensya na pa. Oh, wag ka maglaga na ba? Naglalag ka pa eh. Papansin ka rin eh, no? Okay, so what am I supposed to do right now then? Hindi ko alam. Okay, so mukhang wala pa naman yata, no? Yeah. Wala ko pa sa inyo. Okay? So, none! Okay, I think dito natin kakailanganin yan. Yeah, power. There you go. At tapos, bigay mo sa akin yung lighter ko. Yan! I love that. I love that way of view. There you go. Putang. Umpisa pa lang. Shut up. Okay. Hindi. Yung ina niya naman eh, no? Wait lang. I think I'm gonna need the stone, yeah. Pupukpuk ko to sa ulo mo. Sige, pupukpuk to sa ulo mo. Yung ina mo ka. Throw. Tol, bading ka ba, tol? Yung totoo sa ate. Asan yung bato ko? Where's my stone? Tol. Nasaan yung bato ko? Ayoko na talaga. Okay na, may isa pa ako dito. Pupukpuk to sa ulo mo. Anak mo, tatakbo-takbo pa dito sa hallway. Kala mo nakakatuwa, ha? Bang! O, crouch, tol. Yan. Dear Diary, Mother Apollonia said I'm too old to play with dolls and wanted me to give Bongo the claws. I told her I threw him away, but I hid him somewhere. Good as he could watch over me. I can't tell where... I don't know, pero sige, bahala na. Ano meron dito? There's nothing. Television. Just a TV. Okay, sure. Bubble tayo, wait lang. Open this. Open that. Mother? Sister? Hello? Sister? Sister, are you here? Ina mo ka, wag ka nang lumabas. Okay, we're here again. Sige, sure. Bumalik lang yata tayo eh. Yeah, parang nagpapaikot-ikot lang sa lugar to. Parang ginawa niya sa akin. Pinaikot-ikot niya lang ako. Mama! Tangina, men! Tangina yung sanity ko! I freaking hate this. Nahilo ako dun Aray, wait lang. Let me recover muna sandali, real quick lang. Wait lang. Grabe. Seryoso ka? Na-stuck lang sa loob? Pinaghirapan ko kunin yun Alam mo ba yun? Pinaghirapan ko yun tol, tapos ganon lang? Seryoso ka ba dyan? Ha? Wala seryoso siya Di sige. Ayop, di ba? Ang galing. Napakagaling. Pero sige. Ano ba namang choice ko, di ba? Sino ba naman ako? Ang daming gamit dito. Diyos ko po. Wait lang ano to? Rock. Okay. Tapos dito sa side na to, nandito rin yung madre. Nakakabanas Pero sige. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. Basta yun na yun. Dito ko nakita screwdriver. Yes, ito. The screwdriver. Very nice. Sure thing. I wonder kung saan yung madre. Ay, alam nyo, yan din iniisip ko ngayon Asan na kaya yung madre na yun? Kasi gusto ko siya makita Like, it's a best para kami nagbi-meet and greet ulit no? It's been a year, to be honest. 2 years, 3 years. Yes, it's been 3 years.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
Ganito ba ako sasalubungin? Aray ko! Mama ko. Tang ina mo. Fun! You! Ayoko na. I'm freaking done. Ayoko na. Don't forget to like, comment, mag-subscribe. Ayoko na. Ihiga muna ako. I'm fun.